Okay. This guy and this guy are both my power source at this point. They go over to this USB 1 hub. One of them plugs into the back and one of them plugs in the front. And one of these cords is going to power half of my KVM, the half for my cart, for the board that's already in there, and the other one powers the Pi. And what I've done is I've tried to work on my cable management. So up here you'll see this is the ribbon cable that I used off of an old graphics card, and that's where I reinforce the solder joints so that you can't bend them at the solder joints. It goes all the way around to the source right here. Okay, so that's the source for the cart, the board that's already in there. The other line that's plugged in, well, not plugged in yet, is right there. It's the audio line, and hanging right over here is the output. I haven't plugged them up yet. I'm not so concerned about that. But here's what I decided to do for my cable management system. So basically I took an old nail box, this an industrial size supply of nails, but I just drilled holes and routed the cables around the back. It's not optimal by any means, but it keeps everything out of the way. So what I've done is I've got my HDMI to VGA over here, and for now I've just got it plugged in VGA because I don't have the VGA to CGA converter yet. So I left space on the wall over here for that. All this space over here on this side is reserved for the controllers. So basically what I'm going to do is I hacked up an old gamepad, but I need 8 more buttons, so I'm going to go ahead and run the remainder of my 8 buttons off of the GPIO pins. I figure that way I can hack 2 ways, I guess, or whatever. That, and I'm broke. So there you go. So we go around the front, and what I've done is I ran all the cables through the front, and there's a little kind of divot in the side that I could run out the cable for the keyboard and the button for the KVM switch. So this is the problem that I have right now, and I think it's probably a result of, the frequency. But while it's installing, when it pulls too much power, it blips like this. So anytime it sends data over the internet, anytime you do anything, right now I'm just updating. The other chip, the other big IC on your Raspberry Pi board is your Broadcom. So this is it's what I'm working with now, but it's almost there.